Howdy, my boils and ghouls. How are we all doing on this fabulous Tuesday? Today, I am bringing you a spooky tutorial. Of course, who would I be if I didn't bring you a spooky tutorial? Last week, I uploaded twice in 1 week. Can you believe it? I can't. I'm really feeling this YouTube vibe again, and I'm just going to take advantage of it wherever I can. So first, I am priming my lids, as always, with my favorite P. Louise eyeshadow base. You can use my discount code voodoobarbiedoll10 to save some money. I am still working on changing all my discount codes away from the word voodoo, so bear with me. I'm using the Spellbook Wicked Sisters eyeshadow palette today. It is Hocus Pocus inspired, and I don't really know what I'm doing with this look, you guys. I'm just kind of doing my best and doing whatever my imagination is telling me to do. So this is a great example of me blending together colors that you would just think don't go well together. So I use the dark purple first, the magenta shade next, and now I'm doing the orange shade in the inner corner. So I'm going to try to blend together orange and purple, and then I'm going to throw in the green somewhere in there. I'm taking the dark brown shade and I'm putting that right in the crease just to blend together the dark purple and the dark brown. And I just keep going back in and layering. I kind of explained this a little bit in my last tutorial, but basically I pack down the darkest shade, and then I pack down the second, like the middle shade, and then I will go in with the lightest shade. I always pack down colors first, and then very lightly, with very, very light pressure, I start doing small circular motions and lightly blending upwards. That way you can still see each color on its own and it doesn't get muddy. So it's just really light pressure and lightly going back in with each color and building. See here, I'm going back in with the magenta kind of color over the lime green there and just softly blending up into the green. I pretty much just lay down each color first and then I will go back in and start blending. That way it doesn't look like a muddy mess. Now I'm going in with my P. Louise base. This is in the shade 0, it's white, and I'm cutting my crease. I like to use a very, very small pointed brush to do this. And I'll just kind of cut out the shape I want. I go way over my crease. That way nothing transfers onto the upper lid, and that way you can also see the cut crease as I'm looking forward. But here in a minute you'll see that I don't really keep it as a cut crease, so this point, you know, at this point, this was counterproductive. Let's just say that. I'm using my Makeup a Murder neon green pigment. I love these pigments. And I'm just putting that right along the crease there. And then I'm going to go back in with my P. Louise base and clean that up so it's a nice sharp line. Again, this is counterproductive. I take that lime green shade I used up on my lid and I'm putting that all over my lid. That didn't make sense. And then I'm blending in the purple and the green together, just on the outer corner there. I'm using my NYX Cosmetics Epic Wear Liner. I love this because it's waterproof and my eyes are watering a lot right now because it's summertime. I have allergies and your girl needs a waterproof liner. So at first I thought I was just gonna do a giant winged liner and that was gonna be that, but I ended up doing some sort of glittery graphic liner. I'm taking this white Epic Wear liner. It's the same one I used as the black, and I'm creating a graphic liner with it. And I'm not joking when I tell you right now, I had no idea what I was doing. I was just doing it. I'm packing on the Makeup a Murder pigment on top of the white liner, which actually worked very, very well. I'm pleasantly surprised. I had never done this before, so I was just hoping for the best, you guys, and it worked very well. And then I just go back over the black liner to clean up that mess I have there. Using my Creep It Real glitter, I will tag the company down below. They make all kinds of spooky glitters, at least they did for Halloween last year, and they sent me some. I'm taking my glitter primer. I like a clear glitter primer because I literally just put it on the back of my hand, put the glitter on the back of my hand, and mix it together and apply it with a brush. I find that that's way easier rather than laying down the glitter primer and then packing the glitter on top. It just doesn't work as well. This way it's not as messy, and you can just it's kind of like an eyeliner, but glitter. Using my P. Louise Acid Rain base. This is in Glow Girl. I love these for my lower lash line because my lower lash line is really dry and shadows by themselves just won't stick. So I like to use a base. I'm gonna take this pink shade and pack it right on top and start blending the purple into the pink on the lower lash line so it's more cohesive. And I'm really just smoking it out. Love me a good smoky lower lash line. I'm using my Pixi Eye Define Waterline pencil. This is just in black, and I'm just putting that on my lower lash line and then taking that dark purple shade and smoking it out some more. Using my Manifest That Colourpop Super Shock highlighter. I'm using that right in the inner corner of my eye. I'm also highlighting my brow bone with my Sigma Lash Fan brush, and then I'm taking my eyeliner and I'm just connecting my cat eye to the lower lash line and doing my signature inner corner point, which y'all love to watch for some reason. I've gotten so many comments about how you guys just love watching me do this. It's so funny. I love it. Dusting away my excess powder to protect my face from fallout. Look at how cute those colors are together. Are you kidding? I went ahead and did the other eye, and now I am highlighting my whole entire face, and I also added some spiderweb earrings because why not? Applying some of my Huda Beauty Legit Lashes Mascara. I've used this in the past few tutorials. I use up a mascara until it's done. I hate switching mascaras. I'll just use one and just continue to use it until it's done. I'm using some Fire Vixen lashes. They are some of my favorite lashes on the market, you guys. They're so amazing. I apply my lash glue first on the lash line, and then I go ahead and apply these bad boys. These are not as dramatic as some of my other lashes that I've worn in previous tutorials, but I didn't want to cover the graphic liner we did, so I just did something a little smaller than usual. They're still dramatic, don't get me wrong. Using my Farsali Unicorn Antioxidant Lip Mask, I'm just prepping my lips and then overlining a little bit with my LA Splash Cosmetics Tuscan Architect Lip Sculptor Liner. It's just a brown shade. And then I'm taking the stunning Sugarpill liquid lipstick. It has a little bit of shimmer in it, but it's this gorgeous orange. And that's what I'm doing for my lip color today, guys. Look how stunning that is. I'm obsessed with it. It has gold flecks in it. It's so pretty. Yes, ma'am. Yes, and then I am setting my face with my Huda Beauty Glow Cocoa Hydrating Mist. Because I love hydration, I want hydration everywhere. Yes, ma'am. Oh, yeah. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. You know me, I always keep it spooky. I'm so thankful I have followers who love to keep it spooky with me. Because that's all I want to do is spooky. All the time. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial and maybe learned a little something about eyeshadow. I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.